Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I'm Nitika. Let's check the pulse of the stock market. So I'm back again, and first of all I want to apologize that I couldn't make the video since last 2 week. I couldn't update the index level, and I'm really sorry for that. And because of the busy schedule I couldn't make, but again I'm back with the update of the index level, update of the stock market news, stock in news, all about the stock market in one video. I'm going to share the Nifty 50 and Nifty Bank level, and all the stock market news and important data also which came in the last week from MPC RBI MPC meeting. All I am going to discuss in detail to know the all thing about the stock market and index level, Nifty 50 and Nifty Bank levels. Stay connected till the end and smash the like button, and yes, subscribe the channel also for regular index levels update and stock market news, stock market update. So let's begin the video with the important data which came in last week, and many things I have to discuss because after 2 week I'm making this update, index level update, so I have to talk a little more. So first of all, let me discuss the last week RBI MPC meeting outcome. The important thing it was that even stock market was expecting the uh, rate cut, interest rate cuts. It was expecting, and I will say that somewhere everyone was knowing, the experts were knowing, the market was knowing that the RBI is going to cut the rate definitely this time, because last time Shakti Kanta Das was there, it didn't happen last month, but this time it was actually imminent, and it even happened. So some sort of we can say that the market has factored in this rally in even last even before the MPC outcome. I will discuss in chart in detail, that then you will come to know what happened. But yes, MPC meeting outcome has come, and the rate cut now finally has happened by the new governor of RBI. So what happened? The MPC announces the rate cut of 25 BPS. Yes, means 0.25% to 6.25%. Means 25 BPS means 0.25% का cut हुआ है, and earlier it was 6.50%, now it has become the 6.25%, means the rate cut is to 6.25%. So this was important. In short, I can discuss this rate cut is actually very good, and good news for the stock market, especially the banks and NBFCs are going to get benefit with these rate cuts. And number two important data from the RBI meeting is CPI inflation data. Inflation data for financial year 26, it was it for 26 it is now estimated at 4.2%, and earlier for FY 25 it was 4.8%. So means uh, for 25 financial year 25 current year, it was forecast was 4.8%, which is unchanged, and for 26 CPI projected at 4.2%. This is important thing, 4.2% CPI inflation estimation. So 4.2% means what you can see in this, that earlier it was 4.5 4.8% for 25, so now they have reduced it. So this is actually again a good news for the stock market, that inflation is RBI is expecting that inflation should go down. But it means since means at least till 4.2%. It is this is estimation only. actual क्या होता है, that we'll see in the next year. But yes, this is the estimation. So two important data I discussed. First of 25 bps rate cut in interest rate, repo rate, and the number two data is inflation is expected estimated at 4.2% for this for next year, for financial year 26. And more important data also has been shared by the RBI MPC meeting, that you can go through in detail. Now these two data I have discussed, and some more important thing which I want to discuss, as you might definitely, actually you must be knowing that the market was totally, since last 2 week was totally going means going drastically, was actually market was falling drastically. And even this crash, I can say this crash was happening at went to 22,000, even 800 till. Yes, I will discuss it. I will show the chart, then I will discuss all that. So I am going to the chart, and this is the Nifty 50 chart. So you can see in the chart, I am showing, I have drawn these two line and important thing. But first of all, as I am making video after 2 weeks, I want to share some important thing from since means last 2 week also, so that you will recall all the what all thing जो last weeks में हुआ, जिसमें I couldn't make video. I want to share that thing also in this video. So that's why I just mentioned that this video is going to be little long, so I can show you even last week की बात तो we'll talk later. But first of all, let me talk about this low, and this happened on last week, means 27th January. So this was going down, this was totally drastically market, if I measure market has from its all time high, it has came down to this level, which is almost 12, around 12% fall. 12% fall already happened till this level in Nifty 50. And this was a big crash. Means if market is falling 12% is not a small thing. So this 12% already done, and on this day, on 27th January, it has made its swing low till now. On 27th January, it was the 22,800 around. If I tell you the exact figure, the low was 22,786, 787 around. But yes, it has touched around 22,800 level on till 27th January. And you might be knowing that first February, it was a budget day. Budget day was a very important important event for the stock market, and it was Saturday, and market has has functioned on the budget day, even it was Saturday. But still market was opened and worked on this Saturday also, because of the budget day on 1st February. So 1st February, as you might be knowing, that the budget was very good, and market was very happy with that, as government has increased the exempted amount of the income which is tax free, and that is 12 lakh. So this was very good news. And in short, I want to discuss some budget things also, because I couldn't make the budget video also, so let me discuss little bit for that also. So budget में this came that 12 lakh, till 12 lakh there is no tax on this income till 12 lakh. Over 12 lakh you will have to pay. I am assuming that you might be knowing how to this calculation should go on. If 12 lakh hai, तो वो that is a different part of discussion. And I will say, even before budget, it has very nicely went up. And you can see on this day, 29th January, and this is 30th January, and this is the 31st January, market has shown very good rally continuously and consecutively 3 days, 1 2 3 days. and even fourth day also it was up, and it has taken a resistance here at the 23,600, which is the 200 EMA, and from there it is on 31st January. Oh no, on 1st February, when the Saturday was there and market has functioned on that day, on budget day, it has also that day it went up, and here on 200 EMA taken the resistance and then went down, but still it was not that much fall on 1st Feb. So these 4 days actually, 1, 2, 3, 4, market has shown a very good up move, and this was the totally because of the budget news. Okay, so it was the totally the response and reaction of the budget, and that was which was good. After this day market is now is in a good mood, I can say, and from here it of course it has closed here on 500, around 23,500, and then again this day it has come till 23,200 also. Yes, 23,000 200, yes, and from here again it went up, and now this day on 4th February it has uh, uh, broken, it has given a breakout, I can say, and you can see here it has broken the 200 EMA. So this is the 200 EMA breakout on 4th February, and I can say this market was again excited because of the rate cut, and on this day मतलब इसी हफ्ते ऑन फ्राइडे द एमपीसी मीटिंग थी जो कि ऑन 7th February थी, or this was expected, as I already mentioned, that it was expected that the rate cut is going to happen. It was actually imminent. So this day market has broken out of the 200 EMA and even went up, and even here taken at around 23,800, around it has taken the resistance, and from there 1, 2, 3 days, 3 days again it actually it has fallen and broken again 200 EMA. So this I am going to discuss, but jo things I have discussed, because the RBI MPC meeting outcome important, budget thing क्या हुआ उसमें, that is important, and that all has taken market to the to even over the 200 EMA, and breaking this 200 EMA, it was a very good news for the market. So abhi still we cannot say कि again now market is going to fall till this level. At least in short period, short term, I cannot say कि this is going to happen and market is going to this level. At least for short term, for few weeks, 1 or 2 weeks, कुछ भी हो सकता है, but we have to see. A key important, it was good that it has broken out of 200 EMA, but again it has broken down. It has actually broken toward downside, and touched this 20 EMA level of 23,400, and again from there it was up. So 23,400, which is 20 EMA from downside, it is now has become a good support. At what become a support? Already it was a very good resistance earlier. So 23,400 and 23,500, the both support are very important. 23,500 first, and then again it has even touched the 23,400 on Friday, and this was a very important support. So Friday जब rate cut हुआ, then market has not reacted that much. You can see even here also I am showing that, because you can understand, you can see market has not reacted, because I feel that market has factored in this on this till this day, even here, yes, till to 23,800, market has factored in the RBI MPC rate cut already. तो ये मुझे लगता है कि मार्केट को पहले से ही पता था, और मार्केट ने अच्छी खासी रैली बिकॉज ऑफ दिस एंड बिकॉज ऑफ द बजट हैज ऑलरेडी शोन. Now what will happen? that this has become a 23, so I take that important 23,900. Now it will be a good resistance now for the Nifty 50. It is going to face a good actually resistance here at 23,900, a big hurdle for the Nifty 50. Downside, yes, it has broken. That's why I'm not looking. Actually, it is not looking good. I feel again if it's breaking 23,400 again immediately, so it is going to 23,300 to 200 also. Okay, 300 अगर break कर दिया तो 200 भी आ सकता है, but not more than that. Not more than that. I'm expecting for at least for the next week, coming week, that market is going to break. मुझे नहीं लगता अभी जाएगा. Next week I will see the chart, then I can predict actually what is going to happen, but till now I am not going beyond this 23,300 to 23,200. अगर मैं सेफर लेके चलूँ तो जस्ट 23,200 ले आई कैन टेक. 23,200 कैन बी अ वेरी गुड सपोर्ट फॉर द नेक्स्ट वीक, क्योंकि ये 200 के नीचे it has already given the closing and even already touched the 23,400 also. So we have to see from Monday that market is breaking downside or again it is taking reversal and going toward upside. So this range has become very very important for the stock market, for the Nifty 50, and you can keep this in your mind. So what will happen, मैंने ये रेंज थोड़ी बढ़ा दी है. अर्लियर इट वाज 300 and 300 is very good support, but still I am taking 23,200 so that you will be aware of this level. Okay, so this all happened in the last week which I have discussed in this video कि कैसे यहाँ से लेके मार्केट ने यहाँ तक रैली दिखाई बिकॉज ऑफ द बजट, बिकॉज ऑफ द रेट कट्स, एंड देन अगेन इट इज गोइंग डाउन. इसको we cannot say that market has come in the means safer zone in up move or in bullish bull trend, but yes, market recovering. I can say market is now recovering from its lows, and now it is showing good move, and it is actually looking to going toward the 24,200, which is very very important resistance. After breaking 24,200, we can say yes, market has recovered from its lows. So that we will see coming days, coming month, coming weeks, but now we will discuss about the current scenario for the short term, which is looking at the support I have discussed. One more thing जो मार्केट को ट्रिगर कर रहा है, that trigger I am keep discussing in my last videos also. Indian rupees is depreciating against the dollar, and you might be knowing that it has come to now the level of 87, 87, 80 point something around. Now it has you can check it. So 87 around it has come. The Indian rupees is trading at its lows, and it has come to 87 around against the dollar, and which is very 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 means concern for the stock market. And number two is FIIs selling. FIIs are not stopping to offload their money, and they are actually very big outflowing was happening since last month, last weeks. एक दिन बीच में आई थिंक लास्ट to last week the FIS started buying, but not that much. Again they have sold. So means the FIS selling is not actually going down. So this outflow is also triggering the market, and INR depreciating, and these all things is happening, which is also the concern for the market. So this market is actually, we can say, it's a sell on rise. Agar if you're stuck anywhere, please ask the question. You can come out from your bad investment and can buy a good investment with fundamentally strong stock. So you can ask your stocks if you're stuck or any question in comment below. And just so this two trigger, the FI selling and the Indian rupees depreciation is the big trigger for the market, even still intact. So these two things, okay. So this now I can come to the conclusion that Nifty 50 level for coming week can be support 23,200 and the resistance 23,900. एंड यस प्लीज जो बीच के मैंने बताए हैं सपोर्ट रेजिस्टेंस लेवल्स, प्लीज कीप इन योर माइंड दैट support is 23,400 is also a very good support. Now let's discuss the Nifty Bank quickly, and I will show you what happening in Nifty Bank. And I have also drawn these lines. I will show what is all that. That this line is a neckline where the breakout happened in Nifty Bank. Yes, this double bottom pattern, and from here it has given a good breakout. So this was a very good breakout in Nifty Bank on the day of 4th February. 4th, when the budget is already came and the market has shown its rally, its reaction, and that was this day. Yeah, here, yes, this day. This day, Nifty Bank went up and taken, even here it has also taken the resistance of 200 EMA. 200 EMA का रेजिस्टेंस लेके अगेन निफ्टी बैंक में सेलिंग आ गई, अच्छी खासी सेलिंग आ गई ऑन द बजट डे. सो इसमें भी ऑलरेडी निफ्टी बैंक ने जो है फैक्टर इन कर लिया था फॉर द बजट का जो अच्छा बजट आने वाला है. सो आफ्टर दिस बैंक निफ्टी ऊपर तो गया, बट वहाँ पे it has faced the selling, and again it closed above this line, and here again the on and at this level 200 EMA the people have sold heavily here, and this came down till here. Even it has closed above this neckline. We can say this neckline is, this is 49,500 k, and very next day on this day it even went down this level, which was actually the low of 48,000 49,900, given a clearly strong breakout, and again it has taken the resistance here at 200 mm. So this was the good resistance, and again on the 5th February it has given it has traded above the 200 EMA, consolidated, and even on Friday on the MPC meeting day it has taken a support at exactly taken a support at 200 EMA, and saved this level, I can say. But I don't feel this looking good for the next week, so I can expect that it may fall down even more from here, and can take a support here, which is 49,500. At least for the short term it is a very good support. So be ready for this support of 49,500. Above side, the 51,700 is a very important resistance. After that, the Nifty we can say Nifty Bank has come in the bull run, but before that, no. Nifty Bank may take a good resistance, may face a good resistance here at 51,700. तो 51,700 तो बात की बात है, but before that 50 Nifty Bank may face resistance at 51,000 also. So breaking 51,000, yes, of course, can take it to 51,700 level. So these, please, this level also you keep in your mind, the 51,000. First, it will face a resistance at 51,000. So this was the Nifty Bank scenario, and you can see here the double bottom, and it has touched the low of the 47,900 also. The 47,900 was the swing low of this trading session, and 47,900 it will be again a very good support, but I am not going here. It is not looking that going again at this level in a short period at least. Huh, this level 48,900, which is this low 48,900, will be a next support after this 49,500. So that's why I'm giving 2 3 levels, so that you can keep these level in your mind, that 49,500 breaking nifty bank is breaking this level. It will immediately it will go to the 49,900, 48,900. 48,900 will be a next support after breaking 49,500. Okay, so yes, I know keeping the all these level in mind is not easy, but you have to write this level. If you are you have a pen paper, you please write this to support, very important. And upper above side the 51,000 is very important resistance, after that 51,700. So all in all, I can say that nifty bank next week support 49,500 and resistance 51,000, and then after 51,700. And these level will be a very very important crucial level for the next week. This was the detailed video of the all thing happened last week, last 15 days. I will repeat the level again. And nifty 50 support 23,200 and resistance 23,900, and nifty bank support 49,500 and resistance 51,000, and then 51,700. So please like and share video for the others also, and subscribe the channel for regular stock market update and index levels update and all about the stock market in one video. Signing off.